In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove old communities from Circle. So, whether you're streamlining your online presence or just want to tidy up your platform, removing unused or outdated communities can be a helpful step. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your admin dashboard, which serves as the control center for managing all aspects of your Circle.so communities. Now that you're in, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll find your profile photo. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Communities. This option will take you to a list of all the communities associated with your account. Once you're on the Manage Communities page, you need to locate the specific community you wish to remove. Next to each community name, you'll notice a small icon resembling three dots. Click on these dots. This will open a new set of options specific to that community. Among the options, you'll see one labeled as Community Settings. Go ahead and click on this. You'll be directed to a page where you can access all settings related to this community. Here, you'll have the opportunity to make changes or, as we're focusing on today, proceed with removal. Scroll down on this settings page and you'll find the Delete Community option. It's essential to proceed with caution from here, as deleting a community is a permanent action that cannot be reversed. If you're sure about your decision to remove the community, click on Delete Community. After clicking, a confirmation box will appear, asking you to type the word delete. This step ensures that the action is intentional and provides a last moment to reconsider. Go ahead and type delete in the confirmation box to signify your decision clearly. Finally, to complete the process, click Confirm Delete. With this action, the community will be permanently removed from your Circle.so account, clearing it from your current list of communities. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to remove old communities from Circle. So, remember, taking the time to manage your online spaces periodically can make a big difference in maintaining an organized digital environment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Circle.so support. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.